Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crown K. Please like, subscribe, comment, turn your post notifications on so you like never miss a upload. To my returning subscribers, what up CK gang? Are these gang signs? Whatever. But y'all know the deal. What up CK gang? So today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. I feel like I put too much lip gloss on. Okay, so today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. Shout out to them for sending over this wig for us to review. So guys, today's hair is, I wouldn't call it a headband wig. It is like a headband wig, but nah, I think it's more of a half wig. Headband wigs usually have like the extra piece of fabric. This one doesn't, so I'm super excited. So they sent me this. I think this is their oh my god. wait. Okay guys, I got it together now. So this is their 3/4, not a headband wig. This is their 3/4 kinky straight half wig. And this is in 28 inches. So the one that I have is like super long. All the information will be in the description box below, so check that out so you get all the details, because sometimes I don't have it all together. But it's 28 inches. Yeah, so it's super long and it is Brazilian hair, and I'm super excited about that. And it is kinky, so even better, it'll match my hair texture. Because this isn't a headband wig, I wish like my hair wasn't in braids and I had like, you know, like a ponytail to the back, so then, you know, you'd have more of my hair showing. But it's in braids, so we're gonna make it work. And these braids are kind of fresh, so I didn't really have much hair to like, you know, make some baby hairs or whatever, but we're still gonna make it work. This is the hair. Oh my god, this is a lot of hair. Wow. This is full, like sis 8. This is such a full unit, and this is 28 inches. Wow, this is full and it's super long. Can y'all see how long this is? I don't think y'all are really seeing how long this is. So because it is a 3/4 half wig situation, there's no lace at the top. There is no headband either. This is what the top looks like. And honestly, I don't mind, because sometimes when you do the headband wigs, it's hard to, you know, conceal like the band itself. Sometimes it still shows. And this is the inside. It has combs at the top, a comb at the back, and it has adjustable straps. So we're gonna adjust these straps so it's secure on our head. But yeah, we're gonna go into this wig. I did not want to like straighten this hair at all because I wanted it to like stay big, but I feel like the little kinks, I might just straighten them out, like the little crimpling from the packaging and shipping or whatever. So we're gonna just try it on and get straight into it. This is pretty straightforward, like, but yeah guys, you can do a lot of styles with this wig, and I love the fact that it's a half wig. Well, I call it a half wig, but it doesn't have the band. And if I had known or realized before recording today or deciding to record, I would have like did a half up, half down style for you, because it's pretty easy to do, because you could just like braid the back down, put the top portion in a little ponytail, and then you can take hair from this and make like the half up, half down style. But it's okay, we're still gonna look cute. But this wig, you have a lot of styling options. Trust me, like to me, I would prefer like this type of wig versus the wig with the actual band, because you are free to do like a lot of things because you don't have the band like limiting you. So I feel like this wig is definitely like something to get, especially if you have hair like mine or texture hair. This is perfect. You can do so many styles. But yeah guys, they did send me some headbands. Let me just show y'all real quick so we can get this wig on and get into this video. These are the headbands that they sent me. So we're gonna put it on and decide like what headband we'll use. And I also received like a wig cap and adjustable straps that you can put in if you want to, but I'll just use the straps that are already in the wig. I think I'll be good with that. So guys, the hair is on. That was so easy. Like, this was so easy, and I try to push it back as far as possible without having it look funny and without you like seeing all the braids. But we're gonna put a headband on so it'll be concealed for the most part. Guys, this hair is so full. Let me put my chair back. This is a lot of hair. If you're not prepared for this, this is a lot of hair, okay? Like, it's super full. Look at that. It literally is touching like my hip. Actually, it's on my butt, actually. Like, that's how far down the hair is. It's super long and it's so full. Oh my God, like, this is so full. Guys, this hair is giving me so much vibes. Like, I love it. I wish I didn't have my braids like underneath and my hair was like smooth back so you could really see the front of my hair, but that's okay. We're still making it work. And yeah, the hair is so full. I can't get over how full the hair is. Oh my God. And it feels so soft. It literally feels like our hair, but it's just so soft. It makes me feel like I want to go take a nap on this hair. That's how soft it feels, guys. Like, ooh, love. Like, Beauty Forever, y'all did not have to play like this. Like, y'all did your thing. Y'all did your thing with this wig. I love it. I love it so much. And guys, you can do many different styles. I'm thinking of flat iron the hair just a little bit because I want to do a little swoop kind of thing that I saw Young Africana, that's her name. She's so bomb. I saw this on her channel, guys, and she did like some styles, like the one with the swoop just had me like, ooh, I have to try that because they sent me the same hair. So I want to do that little swoop style, and I feel like with the braids, because she had braids too, with the braids it covered better. So I'm gonna do like a little swoop style inspired by the way how she styled it. Shout out to her. She's dope, guys. Y'all should definitely like follow her. Like, she's dope. Comes onto the wigs and the makeup, like, she's bomb. Like, she really bomb. So guys, this is a finished product. I really like this hair. Like, I really do. If you don't want it as big, you could definitely like run your flat irons through it. But I like this look, and this is exactly how I'm gonna wear it. If you like this video, guys, then let me know down below. Like, comment real quick, give this video like a huge thumbs up, and most importantly, like, subscribe. And oh, I almost forgot, I need to give y'all who my crown crush is. My crown crush is Famous Mia, and sis, thank you so much. Like, she definitely comments on like every single video, and she spams me, so I see that she comments. Like, thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for like just giving me love. I love you, and I love all my subscribers. I love you guys oh so much. And if you want to be my crown crush, you definitely know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, smash like the comments, like spam the comments. I mean to say, like, spam the comments, so you can definitely get a shout out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Chef's kiss.